This plant here is a Trichocereus werdermannianus. I got it under a completely different name. This one was labeled Trichocereus pachanoi, and this was like something like Craigslist, the version of Craigslist here, the local one. And yeah, I mean, obviously it's not that. These are from Bolivia and get pretty big, are very similar plants to Trichocereus terschecki. But yeah, they flower a little bit different. They flower from the top, from the crown, and yeah, have a slightly different way of like popping on the side. Yeah, beautiful plant, and I'm very happy because this one looked very badly. Now